Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m biko na ashịrị onye afọ taa si m gịnị sefukwu ya echi. O nwere ihe nchọ ebe bịa kwu based on ihe ezugoku today, so enecha n'anya throughout yesterday na been thinking and I've been also been thinking a lot. So I've been thinking a lot, so it's better now after ka ekwu okwu akosidi. Let us remove pride, let us remove sentiment aside. Let us keep our emotions aside, because no matter how many supporters club no. Ndị na-asị gị ride on, ya na-asịkwa ndị gị ride on. Ndị ya na-achọ ka udo chia, their voices will not be heard in that moment of chaos. Their voices will not be heard because now the more mmadụ na-eti mkpu ebe onye na-eti mkpu ebe, then somebody anọzi na-asị onye nke a biko, onye nke a biko, the voice of that person will not be heard. The voice will not be heard. So, as somebody that was also dragged into the mess, because Jpac on his own part dragged him into the mess also by saying Amuna look on your before. You accused me wrongly. You said all manner of things and you even lied against me. So no matter I can remember the first time I made a video about Lieutenant Ifanyaba and Jpac and everything I know about him. In the middle of that video, I be a little change someone Jpac. Then in the middle of the video, I said something which I can still remember. If you go and play that video, like this on Ali now, because what will kill this issue and what we bring everything down. But mother Megan is say sorry. It's a sorry because now Ogechi on her own part. But I go since right from beginning. Sana Nelly hear this young man, ma'am. Nelly hear this young man, ma'am. The young man is no mirror, but every accusing finger is going on him. Every accusing finger is going on him. What are you supposed to do in that situation? Somebody that has integrity, somebody that has brand, somebody that has name, influence to protect, somebody that has contact to protect, somebody that has people, the interest of people at heart, somebody that, in this game, the opposition has nothing to lose. You have your peace of mind, you have your integrity, you have your brand to protect, you have your influence to protect, you have your contact to protect. Above all, you have trust to protect. What are you supposed to do in that moment? In order to be elevated to the next level, which I said, go and tell this lady in the air, since you said I did this thing, I know I did not do it, but deep down in my heart, I know I did not do it, but for the sake of peace, I am sorry. Naboku ikwu ya nkizi ya foge cheme gidi me ba na kwero nka kuwe ya nke bo. Or even in the midst of that discussion now, yeah, if you see on, but at the end of the day, there is this, I still maintain that this soft part of Ogechi Okeke Njaka that you needed to touch. The lady had the whole arrogance can them marry say here. The lady had the okwana broken on ya patana asaka all the time. Or he kulu, or he trigger metali heme oje wiwe. So please, on your photo at CFH. I'm calling on Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Jpac, my wenke. Michi ya mono nobo. Kai nekene udo, let us come we na. Let there be silence for you. Body for a while, let there be silence, let there be peace. Let there be peace, bikon. Let there be peace. Amamna, a lot of things has been done. Old wounds, emeka go wound ochie. Onyochi emeka gia oku ochi. I'm surprised they video biakube oku 2020, 2021, 2019. Obulu ihe mmadu kute 2024. Yebe bugata ihe me 4 years ago. And I also want to use this medium to also speak. Imaleni na support oku and Jpac is your friend. And Jpac is open. You cannot come out openly and tell him the truth where he's missing it. Then you are not worthy to be his friend. You are not worthy to be his friend. Because now if you are supporting na Jpac, na sia ipete na Jpac, now you have been talking to him privately, but not publicly or may also. How are we supposed to believe that you are talking to him privately? If you talk to him privately, 1, 2, 3, 4, you come out openly and blast him the way he's blast here for accepting Akwa okuko. One kiss a bali and bamba, and kwa na mota ebutem bali. Neziha Akwa biana, you came out that time, you blambast him. What is stopping you now from doing that kind of thing again? That will not put an end to your friendship with him. It will only make you to know that this person is my friend, but I can boldly look you in the eyes and tell you where you are missing it. And for him, Jpac, on his own part, Pedana said you cannot beg a woman. And when I could me my video, Akwa mono so na onyo bon na he se no ya hayo muna because cannot keep you home. You can never keep a home because now you have in you that your arrogance and pride. I'm a man. You quickly go back. Maybe. Nobody is above to say sorry. Nobody is too small to accept apology. And nobody is too small to say sorry. Otago. So we are calling on the people involved. All the people involved in this Okwa. Let there be peace for that. That's now. Oku adanyukene ka maze oke ka yesi we megene we settle onya boku. Ke settle onya boku. Mande na me video. Me mecha go video ya chi post. Mande no ze na benefit from it because now a lot of people are benefiting from it. Inju epta ku okwa because na Jpac omejokunu mo na wenkem. Omejokunu. He said all manner of things that are not true about him. And because ekwe okucha feel like this okucha hana nke feel na nature again ebe aka counter bi hoku with evidence like the way I did or block the person. Then ozizie umu boys ya na maro ka ihe si eme umu boys ya na naro mgbe ike ihe si aga abatazi ha na agwa okwu anyhow. Ikutezi nke ga-asị gị you are supporting a woman, you are doing this. Man, this lady has been crying from beginning, from the onset, say neli he melem. So in that note, bikono, ugonogo kwadero no kambede. So bikono, kalisia. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, please, for the sake of God, for the sake of that thing you believe in, for the sake of that spot, your soft side inwe, which I believe you have not lost, you still have it. For that part, that soft side of you that is still remaining, because I'm going to this young man for now. Until he does the right thing, happy good year for now. Because ni wela anya okenye nje enyo ihe dị na akpa nyo okwu anọ onye ọbụla na-asị na oji ọfọ mana ọfọ ma onye ji etago mana ọfọ ma onye ji hapụchakwa all those Jpac friends niile na ha agwa eziokwu. The worst thing that can happen to you ma ị nwere friends na-agwa gị eziokwu or you apụta na say you have become a man of your own that onye gwa gị eziokwu ka ị block that person and this person is not talking to you. It's a lie. You are not ready for growth. You are not ready. So bikono do ka esi mejọ onye ukwu ka esi mejọ onye nta ka esi mejọ onye nta ka esi mejọ onye ukwu. Ndị na-asị gị no gree ma ndị na-asị gị nke ma ndị na-asị gị upload update here na ọ naghị onye na-aba onye nwoke ukpo doesn't bow to woman. There is nothing like nwoke ukpo. Anyị na-ebu ndị Igbo for the sake of Igbo race. Ịbịa na ebe a na-eme ihe ndị Igbo ya abịajiwa onye bụ onye ọ ịbịa fụ ebe a na-etigbu onye ịbịa njebecha Igbo onye ukpo Igbo onye Nnewi Igbo onye Nkanu Igbo onye Nsụka. At that point ihe dị afịa bụ onye Igbo ahụ. So bikono Jpac, I'm not what to say to you again, but you know what to do, which is right. Forget about the voices in your head for now. Go back, you know what to do, which is right. And we are also calling on Ogechi Okeke Njaka, please, and please, bikono, do. Ceasefire. This is not the first time I'm saying ceasefire, but let us start doing it on camera now. Ceasefire. Because Pico do. Because one will expo in Jpac before man, and he doesn't listen, he blocked. Now I say, beg this lady, Yoya Biko. Biko. Then in order to prove that you are truly sorry, you may born a NGO. Okay, waka kono, ogodu one so you mention or two. You will a JD, me video, go si kwa sen kalisia go wine. Odogu na wine. If you see, be quite dear, submit here to everyone and go secure that you have a totally extend that hand of friendship, because the girl in her Bible and the Bible said, "For God so loved the world that He gave." Any friendship, any relationship, any talking a mother at all that doesn't touch your pocket is fake. Any talking a mother at any piece of money that doesn't touch your pocket is fake. Know this thing and know peace. So be con, Jpac, call the numbers on the back.